Listening and practice.
Apple health benefit. Apples are widely recognized for their numerous health benefits, which include nutrient-rich. Apples are a good source of essential nutrients, including dietary fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and various B vitamins. Heart health. Consuming apples may help reduce the risk of heart disease. The fiber in apples can help lower cholesterol levels, and the antioxidants in apples, especially flavonoids, can support heart health. Weight management. Apples are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a filling and satisfying snack. Eating apples as part of a balanced diet can contribute to weight management and satiety. Digestive health. The fiber in apples can aid in digestion and promote regular bowel movements. It can help prevent constipation and support a healthy gut. Blood sugar control. Apples have a relatively low glycemic index, which means they can help regulate blood sugar levels. They release glucose into the bloodstream slowly, preventing rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Antioxidants. Apples are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and various phytonutrients. Antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative damage, which may reduce the risk of chronic diseases and support overall health. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants and compounds in apples, such as quercetin, may have protective effects against certain types of cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. Respiratory health. Regular apple consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of respiratory conditions, such as asthma, due to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Hydration. Apples have a high water content, which can contribute to overall hydration, especially in hot weather. Dental health. Chewing apples can stimulate saliva production, which can help reduce the risk of tooth decay by rinsing away bacteria and food particles. Brain health. Some research suggests that the antioxidants in apples may help protect brain cells from oxidative damage and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Skin health. The vitamin C and antioxidants in apples can contribute to healthy skin by promoting collagen production and reducing signs of aging. It's important to note that the health benefits of apples are best realized when they are part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits and vegetables. Additionally, while apples are nutritious and beneficial, they should not be considered a sole remedy for health issues, but rather a part of an overall healthy lifestyle.